So the belt broke, caused all kinds of havoc under the engine, and busted our coolant. So we were stuck. Ouch. Oh, man. Alright. It's in the dash. Just right there. As soon as you climb up, it's right there. Well, we're getting rescued, but yeah, it is not warm here at all. Jeez. Shout out to these guys for coming to get us in this weather. Thanks for coming to get us.
I'm Dan, this is Fareed.
Appreciate you. Woo.
Yeah. Oh my.
Ooh, I like your sticks here. Nice.
When I looked down, like I thought I was hearing the noise of like snow blowing up into the wheel well. Kind of that. Yeah, that was it was making all that strange sound, and I was just like, well, what the hell? And so for a minute I thought it was fine, because then it kind of went away and then it came back again. And then I looked down, and gauges, and both the check engine lights were on. And I was like, oh shit. Well, you know, I've been in a truck before where I broke down for a problem that I wasn't totally sure what I was hearing or not.
Yeah.
But there weren't good warning lights, but I was able to look down and see I had a voltmeter in that truck. There's no voltmeter in this thing.
Yeah.
It's in the digital part. So I looked down and noticed that there's nothing. What the hell?
Yeah.
And then I saw that the temperature gauge was dropped all the way at its bottom level.
Yeah.
And I was like, wait a minute. I'm getting no temperature or anything? What? Huh? So, Pizza Hut was open. You could have ordered Pizza Hut.
Had the heater been on, that might have been a good idea.
But yeah, I looked down and I was like, oh shit. And then I pulled up, and then we started looking for a place to pull over, and I was like, I don't know where the hell I'm going to pull off. And I kind of started to pull off in one spot, and I'm like, should I pull off here? And I was like, no, maybe I shouldn't pull off here. And then it was kind of like, should I pull off here? And it was just that debate of, I got to pull off somewhere here. And I know that it's probably grass, and I know that it's probably going to get deep and all that stuff. So I was just like, I got to go here. I don't know what's wrong. And it's once I stopped and turned it off and opened the hood, I was like, well, this is where we're going to be. So it wasn't like I was going to be like, yeah, I think we might change our mind about our location. Location was pretty well set in